My people, if na money you dey chase alone, the hustle go soon humble you. But if you chase value, na money go begin look for your address. Welcome to Street MBA with Kapick, your Monday Boost wey dey enter body. Tony Hsieh talk am clearly say, chase the vision, not the money. The money will end up following you. And for the street level, we dey rephrase am like this: if na only quick money you dey chase, e go tire you. But if you dey chase value, na money go dey chase you. Today, I wan ginger you with one truth wey many businesses people never understand. Money no dey show love to anybody, but money dey respect value. Look around you. The mechanic wey dey always run go cheap parts, e dey hustle every month, but that one wey dey explain things well. Choose better parts, give you 2 to 3 options, na im customer dey refer like pure water. That barber wey dey rush sef, na 500 im dey collect till now. But the one wey don master im craft, take hygiene serious, sabi groom you well, and no dey rush your head. People dey book appointments with am, money dey chase am sharp sharp. Same thing for small business o. Everywhere, when you build something wey dey solve real life problem, money sef go beg you to dey collect am. Stop doing business like person wey dey look for quick alerts. Start running your hustle like person wey dey build something wey go outlast im mood. Focus on becoming more skilled, serving people better, delivering value wey others never think of. Consis ten cy and vision wey clear pass training day. Because truth be say, money dey waka with speed, but value get GPS, e go always find who worth am. So this week, I wan ask you, your hustle na money focus or value focus? Choose wisely. Na that decision dey separate those wey struggle from those wey build empire. If this Monday Boost enter your body, subscribe to Street MBA with Kapick for more weekly business sense, inspiration and street smart strategies. No just hustle with sense. See you for next episode. Washiri.